So, you want to watch me make a banner? Well, you've come to the right place. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back once again taking a look at this banner that I made, and I figured out how to break it down because I love doing stuff like this, and I figure that we haven't done a speed art in a while. So, it's been a lot of Blender content lately, and you guys have been loving it, so I really appreciate that. We're going to go ahead and do some fun stuff. So, I wanted to do like a rebrand for my channel, and I was thinking about color schemes and everything else, and I really decided on black and green. So that's really the only thing that I had, that's really the only idea that I had going into this, and I knew that I just wanted to be really simple. So I kind of just, you know, have my name, the games that I play, and then of course down underneath I'm adding you know, some socials and just letting people know that I have Twitter and a Twitch and a Discord, and of course that's all nice down there and all together. And by the way, the best way to do, if you have multiple like objects that are similar, like so all your socials and whatever else, I recommend grouping them together. So if you right click the layers, you can add new group and then put them all into a group, and then you can move them around together, scale them, and keep them where they were, and then just have it nice like that. So I really wanted this seemed to be a bit more ambient, so I added a really big like soft lights of green in the background, and that makes it look a lot more ambient and gives it a lot more space rather than just being solid black. So what else did I do here? And I blurred it, by the way, as well, to get it to be a little bit softer as well. So just big soft brush and then blur it, Gaussian blur. I don't remember how much, but and then of course the background was a little plain to me, so I added my logo back there and kind of put it on a really low opacity, and then I actually duplicated that and then erased and then shrunk it. So like I selected the entire thing and then I hit shrink, and I shrunk it by, I think it was like 2 pixels or something. So then I had this nice little border around the edge, which I thought was really cool. And then of course this nice little bit that I do with the logo here, and something that the reason that I really wanted to make this little breakdown is because this piece that I do here, I actually draw a little rectangle. You'll see in a moment. I draw a little rectangle over top of the words, so that you can like I can cut away the logo behind the words, so it's not like super clashing with the words. And what I do is I draw a box and I fill it in with a color. I think it was black, and then yeah, right here it was green actually, and then I put that on erase. And I have it all inside of a group so that it erases the logo behind and it leaves some space, which I thought was really cool. So very simple banner, very simple thing, just a subject of the face, you know, on the right hand side, and the logo, and really simple. Really enjoyed it. I also made an offline screen. This is, like I said, for my Twitch. All the links are down below if you want to follow me on Twitch. I play games down there. But yeah, so I will see you in the next tutorial, breakdown kind of video. But until then, bye bye.